Hi, my name is Larry Newman. I'm an attorney located in beautiful Ithaca, New York. Why don't you come on and get a little closer to me? Today I'd like to talk to you about one of my recent cases and the reason that you want to be as proactive as possible prior to going to court. I was just in court. Guy saw me a month before his court appearance. They put his court appearance all the way out. Sometimes we get 2, 3, 4 weeks to prepare. Already had an evaluation done. Already had a copy of his vehicle and traffic abstract showing a perfect history for the last 20 years. Already knew everything about him, about his job, about what he's done in his life, his educational level. We get into court and the prosecutor takes me aside. He goes, "Hey Larry, the police officer told me he almost hit the cop car. They had to do what they say, evasive actions to move the cop car away before he hit it." I was like, wow. I said, listen, why don't you go call the police officer and also find out how cooperative he was, how polite he was, how respectful he was. Well, sure enough, we had time. I got there early. He called the police officer. The police officer said, yes, he was all those things. If you want to cut him a break, be my guest. I also pulled out perfect 20-year history. I also pulled out a clean drug alcohol evaluation. Guess what? Guess what? Everybody's happy. The judge was happy to see all that information. Prosecutor's happy to see all that information. Even talking to the police officer, he was happy. My client ended up being happy at the very end of it. Now, just because I got this result in this particular case doesn't mean I'm going to get that result in everybody's case. But guess what? I believe that if you go in there proactive, if you go in there prepared, if you go in there with as much information as possible and you prepare in advance, this is the key, then you're more likely than not to get the best outcome than if you don't do any preparation at all or you walk in there scratching your butt. That's my opinion. That's my street opinion, okay? If you have any questions, shoot me an email, give me a call. This is one of the areas I focus on in upstate New York. I'd be more than happy to help you, and thanks for watching this video.